everyone. Recently, I was watching Suits, a Netflix series. In it, due to a misunderstanding, a high performing lawyer of an organization bypassed his manager, Jessica, who had always supported him. This led to a broken relationship with his manager, Jessica. However, he later regretted it and worked upon improving the relationship with his boss. Sometimes similar things happen to us, and we end up soaring our relationship with an important person, our manager. But my question to you is, can we let that one mistake define our career in that organization? Hey everyone, my name is Isha Khanna. I'm a trainer, speaker, and life coach. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 ways you can mend a broken relationship with your manager. Before we talk about the 3 ways, let us understand that improving a broken relationship with your boss requires patience and open communication and a willingness to work towards a positive outcome. Now, the first way is initiate honest communication. Reach out to your boss and express your willingness to address any issues that might have led to the strained relationship. Schedule a private meeting to discuss your concerns, acknowledging your part in any misunderstanding or conflicts. It's good to use I statements to express feelings and perspective without blaming or accusing. Listen actively to your boss' point of view as well. The second thing is seek feedback and show improvement. Ask for specific feedback on your performance and behavior. Use this feedback constructively to make positive changes. Focus on the areas where your boss believes improvement is required. Demonstrating a genuine commitment to growth and change can show your boss that you value the relationship and are willing to take the steps to improve it. The third one is find common ground and build rapport. Identify shared goals, values, and interests that can serve as a basis for rebuilding the rapport. Collaborate on projects or initiatives where you both can work together effectively. Building a professional relationship based on mutual respect and common objectives can help repair the broken dynamics. An additional tip is be consistent and patient. Restoring a broken relationship takes time. Be consistent in your efforts to communicate openly, show improvement, build rapport. Patience is the key, as rebuilding trust and rapport doesn't happen overnight. Stay committed to positive change even if the progress is slow. Remember that every situation is unique and the approach you take should be tailored to the specifics of your relationship with your boss. If you like this video, do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And follow me on my other social media channels and LinkedIn, of course. Thank you very much and stay connected. Have a nice day.